Financial year-end change. To change a financial year-end, you should have registered as a customer. If you have not done so yet, please see the video on how to register as a customer. To start the process, visit www.cipc.co.za. From the top menu bar, select Online Transacting and select E-Services from the drop-down tab. You will be redirected to the E-Services login screen. Click on Customer Login. Complete the required fields. Please note that it is case sensitive. Type in the security code. The security code is also case sensitive. Click on CIPC Terms and Conditions to read it. Click on the circle next to it to accept the terms and conditions. Click on Login. You will then be redirected to the E-Services landing page. Click on Financial Year-End Change. Enter the enterprise number and click on Validate. Confirm that the details of the correct entity is displayed and click on Continue. The current financial year-end will then be displayed on the screen. Propose a new month and year for the financial year-end and click on Continue. The next screen will confirm that the financial year-end change has been filed.